Halloween is approaching, and today Blaize and I are going to show you some cheap and easy DIY Halloween costumes. The first costume is a deviled egg. The materials you will need are yellow felt, a white t-shirt, white shorts, devil horns, tape, a Sharpie, and scissors. The first thing you need to do is draw an oval on the yellow felt. Next, cut out the oval. Then, tape it onto the t-shirt. Put on the devil horns and you're done! The second costume is a bag of jelly beans. You will need a clear trash bag, a bunch of balloons, and scissors. First, cut out holes for your arms and legs. Step into the bag and have a friend put in balloons. Then have your friend tie up the bag from the back. That's all you have to do. The final costume is a crazy cat lady. All you need is a robe, slippers, and some cat stuffed animals. Put on the outfit and you're done. Have a happy Halloween!